Vanakkam, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the reticular formation physiology. Reticular formation is diffuse network of deeply placed non-specific neurons. It is located in the brainstem, medulla, midbrain parts. It connected through the higher center, especially cerebral cortex, hypothalamus, cerebellum, all the important CNS structures. Non-specific neurons, it is the long dendrites, large axons, large diameter of the axons. It is essential for life. It is important for the arousal and alertness mechanisms, sleep wakefulness cycle. It is important for the sensory modalities of the pain sensation and motor activities and cardiovascular and respiratory functions. It contains a 98 nuclear masses. All the in the visceral nuclear masses like vasomotor center also included in this reticular formation. But cranial nerve nuclei not included in the reticular formation. Reticular formation located in the three column. Median column contains a Raphe nuclei. It contains a serotonergic neurons. It is important for the sleep generation. Median nuclei or Raphe nuclei. And a medial nuclear group. This is the green color is the medial column. It is made up of large cells. That is called as the macrocellular region. It is important for the motor activities. And the lateral column. Lateral column is made up of mainly small cell. It is parvocellular region. It is important for the sleep wakefulness cycle. Reticular formation. Because the classical pathway. Classical pathway is carried by the ascending sensory tract through the specific thalamic nuclei to the sensory cortex. It gives the collaterals to the fontanine reticular formation and midbrain reticular formation. So this is the classical pathway. Non-classical pathway or non-specific pathway is one pathway is passing through the non-specific thalamic nuclei to the sensory cortex. Diffuse supply to the sensory cortex. Another known pathway bypasses the thalamic nuclei to the sensory cortex. So this is the ascending reticular formation. This is important for the arousal alertness through to the due to the sensations, any sensation. And descending reticular formation is coming from the medullary reticulospinal tract and pontine reticulospinal tract. Medullary reticulospinal tract increases the tone of the extensor muscle. Pontine reticulospinal tracts is decreases the tone of the extensor muscles. So this is important for the maintaining the tone of the muscles and posture. So this is also important for the motor activities. Classical pathway is passed through the ventromedian nuclei of the thalamus. Non-classical pathway is passed through the intralaminar non-specific thalamic nuclei. Okay, so this is the classic pathway. These two are the non-classic pathway. The descending reticular formation is the medullary reticulospinal tract and pontine reticulospinal tract. It is control the motor activities. Functions of the reticular formation. It is important for the arousal and alertness mechanisms. All the sensory pathways, pain pathway and dorsal column pathway, and all the special sensations having the connections through the reticular formations. So it is important for the arousal and alertness mechanisms. Motor activity, it is controlled by the medullary reticulospinal tract and pontine reticulospinal tracts. And pain modulation mainly controlled by the raphe nuclei releases the serotonergic neurons, and locus release the noradrenaline, substantia nigra dopamine. These all are act on the substantia rolanda of the spinal cord, inhibit the pain transmissions. So that is important for the pain modulation. Pain modulation and sleep wakefulness. During the wakefulness, reticular formations are more active. During sleep, reticular formation is less activity, directly proportional to the wakefulness. And cardiovascular respiratory functions are regulated by the reticular formation because the cardiovascular respiratory nuclei, visceral nuclei located in the reticular formation areas. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share your friends. Those who are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. These videos briefly discuss the physiology topics. You must read the physiology textbooks. Thank you once again.